everyone. I'm Dr. Zubin Manluwela, International Faculty with the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. In this course, you'll find a variety of topics ranging from skin conditioning to chemical peels, lasers, and injectable botulinum toxins and dermal fillers. So what are you waiting for? If you've already been doing this is an add-on for you. If you've not been doing this is certainly the right step to embark upon a marvelous journey ahead. I hope to see you soon. Take care.